Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, today we'll learn most important theorem in geometry, that is angle bisector theorem in the chapter triangle. Now, the statement of the theorem is every point on the angle bisector of an angle is equidistant from the sides of the angle. So, the diagram here, this is the angle bisector. In angle PQR, let us consider angle PQR. In angle PQR, QS is the angle bisector. These two angles are given congruent, and this red point AB on the any point on the angle bisector, then this AB, which is perpendicular in AC, perpendicular this point A, is equidistant from A and B. That we have to prove. So given part is QS is the bisector of angle PQR. Point A is any point on ray QS segment. AB is perpendicular to ray QP and segment AC is perpendicular to ray QR. We have to prove that this segment AB is congruent to segment AC. We have to prove. Now let us consider this triangle ABQ and triangle ACQ. So in triangle ABQ and triangle ACQ, these two triangles, this side AQ is there common in both the triangles. So segment AQ, first segment AQ is congruent to segment AQ, a common side. It is a common side in both the triangle. Then angle AQB is congruent to angle AQC. It's an angle bisector. So angle which is given, angle AQB is congruent to angle AQC. Given says ray QS is the angle bisector, so these two angles are congruent. Then angle ABQ, which is 90 degree, it is a perpendicular which is drawn, is congruent to angle ACQ. Each angle is 90 degree. Angle ABQ is congruent to angle ACQ, each 90 degree, both angle. Since therefore triangle ABQ is congruent to triangle ACQ by your side angle and side test. Side angle test. One side and two angles. Side angle test of congruence, they are congruent. Once two triangles are congruent, corresponding sides are also congruent. Therefore, side AB is congruent to side AC. Therefore, segment AB is congruent to segment AC, corresponding side of congruent triangle. Angle bisector theorem, part 2. Statement of the theorem is any point equidistant from sides of the angle is on the bisector of the angle. So here the given part is point A. Point A is a point on the interior of angle APQR. Let us consider angle PQR. Segment AC is perpendicular to ray QR and segment AB is perpendicular to ray QP. And it is also given that side AB is equal to side AC. This is given part. Now we have to prove that ray QA, this ray QA is the bisector of angle PQR. We have to prove. That is, we have to prove that this angle BQA is equal to angle CQA. These two angles we have to prove that they are equal. Let's consider in this fact these two right angle triangle ABQ and triangle ACQ. These are two right angle. Let us consider. So in triangle ABQ and triangle ACQ. Here angle ABQ is equal to angle ACQ is equal to 90 degree. It is given. So both are right angle triangle. Therefore, side opposite to right angle, side opposite to 90 degree. This is side QA, which is the hypotenuse in both the triangle. So hypotenuse AQ is congruent to hypotenuse AQ. It's a common side in both the triangle. Common side. Then this side AB is congruent to side AC, which is given. Side AB is congruent to side AC, which is given. Therefore, triangle ABQ, this two triangle ABQ is congruent to triangle ACQ by hypotenuse side test. By hypotenuse side test, these two triangles are congruent. Therefore, once two triangles are congruent, corresponding sides and corresponding angles are congruent. Therefore, angle BQA, angle BQA is congruent to angle CQA. Angle CQA, that is corresponding angle of congruent triangle. Therefore, ray QA, these two angles are congruent. So, and this is the angle bisector. So, this ray QA is the angle bisector of angle PQ.